So for the video for this week's module, or for the first video, we had to watch a YouTube video about how the universe formed and how the universe is constantly expanding. And so they talked about how the galaxies themselves aren't actually getting bigger in size, but the space between them is expanding, pushing them outwards. So that's where we get that perception that the universe is getting bigger. It's expanding outwards. And it's been doing this for a while. In fact, it's been doing this for 13.8 billion years, which is how old the universe is. So 13.8 billion years ago, the Big Bang happened. And so we were asked the question, do we think that life could have formed within those 14 billion years, or I guess intelligent life? And I think it's very likely, considering that humans are an intelligent life form and we've only been around for hundreds of thousands of years. So within 14 billion years, it's pretty hard to say that there wouldn't be any intelligent life around. So I think the odds of there being intelligent life forms somewhere in the universe throughout that time is very high.